Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make money online. And I'm also going to give you and show you this tool or software that is going to generate you unlimited free buyer traffic and can get you high ticket recurring sales in just seconds of literally no work at all. So this tool is going to do all of the hard work for you so you can make your first money online. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm documenting my journey on this channel on how to make money online and giving you exclusive insights into this so you can replicate this and hopefully make money online from wherever you are. Whether you want to work from home, from the beach, go on holidays and build a business at the same time, this is everything I'm documenting on this channel completely for free. So in return, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one today. But without further ado, let's get straight into this. So this is going to be the website where you're going to sign up or log in completely for free. And once you do that, you're going to see your dashboard like this, where you can track the amount of clicks you get, the amount of signups you get, and the amount of customers that you have, and your payouts and what you're going to get paid out this week. And step number one is going to be coming over to this website over here, morningscore.io. That's morningscore.io. And this is an SEO tool that will rank your websites on the number 1 or number 2 pages of different search engines, whether it's Google, Bing, Yahoo. There are many different search engines out there. But no, this is not the tool that I was talking about in the beginning that is going to do all of the hard work for you. This is just an example of a tool that you can use. And also, we're not going to be ranking our own websites or creating our own websites or anything like that. This is just the tool we're going to use to earn on our dashboard revenue like this. So that's why it's important that you watch this video until the end so I can show you and give you the tool that is going to do all of this hard work for you. So like I said, we're not going to be buying this tool ourselves. We don't need this tool at all. What we do need is Morningscore's affiliate program. So you'll see if I scroll down all the way to the bottom, there is a little option here called Partner Up. You want to click on this, it will take you to this page. You can become a partner completely for free. So all you got to do is, I'm already signed into my dashboard over here. So yeah, you can see it's just going to ask you for your email, password, and then verify that email. Once that's done, it'll take you to your dashboard like this. So your dashboard will obviously be fresh. It'll be no signups, no clicks, no customers, not awaiting payouts. And exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video is how to replicate these results right here. But the best part about this tool is it's going to work for any other affiliate link that you have. Whether you're an affiliate for Builderall, Kartra, you name it, any ClickBank product, any JVZoo product, this tool will work for any single affiliate product. But I'm just going to use this tool because it's got a 5-star rating on Facebook and Google. It has a really high rating and it even has a live demo of their product on exactly how you can use this. So it is a really user-friendly tool. It is a tool that will retain a lot of people that purchase this tool, meaning you're going to get lifetime commissions from their packages, so it pays passive income, which is really nice. And on top of this tool and software that I'm going to show you, it's going to get a lot of clients and leads and commissions for you. So if I come over back to the Morningscore affiliate program, you can see your commission payouts right here. You're going to get 30% commission plan for every business plan, 25% recurring commission for every pro plan, and 40% for the light plan, and 40% for the starter plan. So let me quickly come over to the pricings table to see what we can earn. So for the pro plan, you're going to get 40% of $149 every single month. The business plan, 30%, and the light plan, 40% of $49. And what's also great about this Morningscore program, you get a 14-day free trial. And remember, people love free stuff. Using a free trial is a great way to hook in people into an affiliate program or into a software product or whatever it may be. And remember, it's lifetime commission, so all you need to do is refer someone once and you're going to keep making money for every month lifetime there afterwards. So again, if you refer only 2 people in the first month and you refer 2 people the next month, you're going to be getting paid a total of 4 times per month from 4 different people. And the next month could be another 2 people. Now you've got 6 clients paying you on a monthly basis. So this is how nicely it adds up and how easy it is to get commissions from this. But make sure to keep watching so you can get the software tool that is going to automate all of this for you at the end of this video. So obviously now, in order to get these commissions, what you could do is you could go get your affiliate link on your dashboard, which looks like this. It'll be on your main dashboard. You can go and post this all over Quora if you want to. You can go post this all over Instagram or YouTube or Reddit, wherever you want to go and paste this link, you can go and do that. But however, that obviously takes a lot of effort, time, and it takes time to get commissions from that, because free traffic from those platforms do take a while. Or you could keep watching this video until the end, and I'm going to show you the software that will get you traffic sales and unlimited free buyer traffic and high ticket recurring sales in just 60 seconds of effort. And also, you don't have to wait to get verified or to get approved on the affiliate program. It happens instantly. As soon as you enter your email password, you go to your dashboard and you're going to get your affiliate link. So there's no long waiting process like ClickBank. It is all instant and worldwide. So anybody watching this video and decides to take action and earn from this can sign up for this affiliate program. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy. You can see my affiliate link here on the home button. Come to dashboard. You can copy your affiliate link. I'm just going to paste this into my Google search bar to show you where this is taking me. You can see it takes me to the landing page and the home page of this tool. You can see up here it's my affiliate link. So when people go over to the pricing tab and make a purchase, I'm going to get 40% lifetime recurring commissions of whatever package they choose. And the commissions on this is really good. It's one of the best that I've seen in a long time. I was an affiliate for Boulderall for well over a year, and the commissions weren't as near as good as this program right here. So this is why I'm also creating a video on this specific tool, because the commissions are really high and it's also lifetime commissions. So to start making money from this, all you're going to do is you're going to copy your affiliate link from your dashboard, and then you're going to come over to this website right here. I'm going to show you right now exactly what this is. So basically what this tool does is they have a huge email list with buyers that they are going to give you free traffic. So basically when you sign up for this tool, there's going to be a submission form where you can claim your free traffic. So you got to fill in this form to claim your free traffic. So basically when you register on this program, all you need to do is enter your name, enter the email address and the link that you want them to send clicks to, and all you're going to do is enter your affiliate link to the bottom section over here where you want them to refer this link to. So it's basically a form of free solo ads. Solo ads meaning they send an ad or like an email or a newsletter to their huge email list with your affiliate link, and then you will get a ton of clicks and a ton of commissions for that, because they are obviously targeting an audience that is looking for the affiliate product that you give them. Because obviously these guys know which guys in the email list or which people in the email list are going to get you the best results. So something like this is also very reliable, and you're not spending a cent on this free traffic form. So they could be sending you anywhere between 100 and 300 clicks. This is real valuable clicks from real people around the world. It's not bots or anything like that, and it's actual people that will be interested in the product, and a few of them could sign up, be interested in the product, and that's how your commissions are going to get started. And remember, what's great about these recurring commission programs, you don't need hundreds and thousands of people to make a lot of money. You can literally have 20 people sign up, and that's $1,000 a month in recurring commissions. But in case you're thinking like, how is this so easy to do? There must be some kind of catch. The only catch is that if you read the top part of this form, you can see that you just need to wait 5 days for this traffic to come in. So it's not going to happen instantly. The free traffic's not going to come in instantly. You've got to wait 5 days, and then you'll start seeing the links, the clicks, and the commissions coming through your affiliate link. So the tool I'm talking about is this tool over here. I'm not an affiliate for them. I'm not going to give you my affiliate link. You can just head over straight to the website if you want to use this tool. It's called autoprofitsites.net/exclusive. So this is the world's first automated traffic and sales app that generates unlimited free buyer traffic and high ticket recurring sales in 60 seconds. Some people are using this tool on a daily basis, and they make well over $1,000, $700 a day in pure commissions just from affiliate links and affiliate products. You can see these are proof and screenshots of people that are using this tool, earning this, and how they're earning commissions just like this, recurring commissions every single month. And the best part about this tool, you've got 4-figure a day training. So this is included to get you started. You don't need any tech skills, experience, or an email list required. No website, no nothing. But the best guarantee that they have, they say here, if you make sales, or they say here, make sales or we'll send you $75 in compensation. Meaning, if you use their tool and you don't get sales, they are going to give you $75 straight to your account, kind of as like a guarantee, which I really like. And they have a 180-day money-back guarantee. So that means if you aren't happy with the tool, you can just get your money back for this. So it's 4 simple steps. All you do is grab a copy of this tool, you log in, get free traffic, so you hit the free traffic button to enjoy free buyer traffic and sales in as little as 60 seconds or less, and then you're going to duplicate this. So this is optional but highly recommended, so you can use the included software to duplicate the system as many times as you want with any combination of different offers. Just to quickly give you an idea what upfront costs it actually costs to start a big online business. So firstly, you need to build a list, email list building, more or less about $1,500 in total. Passive income, so you need a slick looking website, premium domain and hosting, which could be another $3,200 in a year. Email marketing, a campaign, $500. Social media marketing, you need to spend $2,500 on that. So per year, it more or less costs you $10,700. That's to run a full-on online business with mostly traffic, getting lots of offers, but you're also not guaranteed any sales. With this tool, it saves you all of that hassle. You're spending less than $100 on this tool, and you getting all of this included with the tool, including free traffic. So instead of $10,700, you're only spending $22.68 on this specific tool, which you are saving a ton of money. That's why I really like this tool. But again, like I said, I'm not an affiliate for this tool, I'm just recommending it. So I really hope you guys got some good value from this video and that you learned a lot from this video. Comment down below what you learned from this video, and if you need help or if you have any questions, I reply and heart all of my comments. But what I will do is I will leave a little link on the screen here to one of my best affiliate marketing playlists on YouTube with about 50 to 60 videos that will really help you out and get a lot of commissions and sales, whether it's through free traffic, paid traffic, so many different strategies all here on YouTube for free. A lot of people charge for this kind of information. I've compiled a playlist just for you guys with all completely free information to help you out. So without further ado, you're welcome to click on this playlist. But until then, take care and I'll see you soon.